Ivy here. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the endless choices of books out there? Today, let's talk about how you can use AI to create a personalized reading list based on your interests. Simply input your favorite genres or authors and let AI do the rest. You'll get a curated selection of books that match your unique tastes, making it easier to find your next great read. Imagine having a list that feels like it was made just for you, introducing you to new authors and stories you might have missed otherwise. AI can help you explore new literary worlds while keeping your personal preferences in mind. Tune in tomorrow as we explore how AI can help you organize your digital photos. Until then, happy reading!